How to configure advanced indexing options in Windows 10 and 11. You might need to access advanced indexing options to customize which files and file types are included in search results. This helps improve search speed and relevance, especially in environments with large volumes of data. In this video, we'll outline how to configure advanced indexing in Windows 10 and 11. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is advanced file indexing? Windows keeps an index of your files to speed up search results, storing details like names, dates, and content. By default, system and app files are excluded to improve performance. Using advanced indexing options, you can customize which folders and file types are included for faster, more relevant searches. Advanced indexing options can be accessed through the control panel. Here's how. Right-click the Start button and select Run. Type Control and click OK to open the control panel. Set View By to Large Icons, then select Indexing Options. In the Indexing Options window, click the Advanced button. If the Advanced button is grayed out, that means advanced indexing may be disabled by group policy or registry settings. How to enable and disable advanced indexing. Let's now discuss how to configure advanced indexing using local group policy and the Registry Editor. Via Local Group Policy. Open the Local Group Policy Editor. Go to Computer Configuration, then open Administrative Templates. Go to Windows Components and navigate to Search. In the right panel, double-click Prevent the display of advanced indexing options for Windows Search in the control panel. Set the option to Not Configured or Disabled to enable access to advanced indexing. This is the default behavior for your system. Set the option to Enabled to disable access to advanced indexing settings. Via Registry Editor. Here are the steps to enable advanced indexing via the Registry Editor. Open the Registry Editor and navigate to the following path: computer/hkey_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows. If the Windows search key doesn't exist, advanced indexing options are already enabled by default. If the Windows search key does exist, select it. Look for the Prevent Using Advanced Indexing Options value. If it's not present, advanced indexing is enabled by default. However, if it is present, right-click it and choose Delete to re-enable access. To disable advanced indexing, follow these steps. Open the Registry Editor and navigate to the same path we mentioned earlier. If the Windows search key doesn't exist, right-click and select New, then Key. Name it Windows Search. With the new key selected, click Edit, then New. Select DWOORD 32-bit value and name it the following. Double-click the new DWRD and set its value to 1. Maintaining consistent configurations like access to advanced indexing options is key to enforcing reliable behavior and security policies. It helps streamline operations and keeps your IT environment secure. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable advanced indexing options in Windows 10 and 11, linked in the description below.